Welcome everybody. This is this will be the last day that I'll sand on this wing because all the dope's on it, and I'm basically done with it. It's dried up fairly well. I thought I'd come on and just spend one more hour with you guys sanding. It is the most boring operation going, and I realize that if you guys don't watch, the sanding, so be it. I mean, it's sanding is sanding. Uh, what I have here is this wing is super nice. You can see where I've been sanding on it. It's nice and flat. Got a lot of dust on it. Let's see here. So, sit back and laugh at me while I sand. Because that's what's going to happen. More sanding. You'll see right here, there's a shiny spot. That's all got to get gone. Thank you for the like. I'm looking at the camera because I can't see that shiny spot here. Let's see here, it's right here. So that is helping me. This project's coming out about twice as good as my Tucker did. Because I got more. Yep, at it again, Alan. Because I got more time sanding on it. The Tucker that I did it all in my little apartment. Shoot it over John's. You can't see in that apartment. Here I have good light. I have room where I can lay it down on the bench and see what I'm doing. Dan Winship, if you're watching, hey, what's up? If you're watching, you better be standing. Dan is a super craftsman, but he's wasting his time making carbon fiber parts that nobody's going to buy. They're too. I mean, I love them. All what he does is great, but you can't make any money at this. I mean, if you're doing it for self-satisfaction, like I did. If you guys remember, I was making some carbon stuff. Let me get this. I'll show you. I'm going to give this to Dan so he can get a mold, pull a mold off of it. Here's one that I had cut out. Somebody had asked me for these, and I said I'd give them, but this is a Bob Hunt Crossfire style wheel pant that I made out of glass. This is not carbon, it's glass. You know, I delved into making all the parts, but it's too much work and not enough reward. You know, Dan, I don't know. What's up, Andrew? I tell you what, here's the deal on Dan Winship's parts. If he does this stuff, you guys need to support him and buy some of that stuff. Super nice, high quality, light stuff. And don't whine when he asks 40 or 50 bucks or something. Control line guys are cheap. I know what it takes to make this stuff. It's only a hobby. Yeah, maybe it's only a hobby, but what do you guys think of this wing? Do you think it turned out all right? I can tell you this, the paint's going to lay down on it slick, slick, slick. Got 4 coats of dope on it. Sanded between each coat. Sanded, this is the coat before the color goes on. So the better I can get it sanded out, the better the color will lay on it. So basically, this is the last sanding before the clear goes on, the first coat of clear. Because I don't sand. When I shoot the white on this, it won't get color sanded because there's not enough dope on it. Which ends up happening is, let's say that I shoot a coat of white on this, and the correct way to do it would be to sand it. Well, that means you have to do 2 coats of white. Well, so what I do is 1 coat of white, don't sand it. 1 coat of clear, then sand it. If you sand through the white and have to touch it up, it'll be splotchy. But you guys do what you want. I mean, I can only show how I do it. And anybody that's seen my airplanes knows that the finishes are not bad. That's because I'm willing to sit down and do this. This is what makes it shine. And like I say, this will be the last time you see me. Tomorrow, if I do anything, it won't be working on this. It'll be something else. Oh, we got a couple of shirts up, ready to go. Let me give you the link. Let's see here. Somebody wrote on there was a typo on one. I don't know what it is. I didn't make the design. I just did the shirt thing. So let's see here. Here's the first 2. So we need to log in. I'm not a robot. Log in. Okay. Let's see, listings. These are the t-shirts and hoodies of the one design. So we'll look at this. Copy. paste, and go. That's the first design. Sounds like I got somebody at the front door. Of course. Copy. Paste. There's two designs. Let me get the front door. Hold on, guys. Unbelievable. No, that was dinner being delivered. She got it. Okay. I'm always pestered all the time. You know, once I start something, somebody's got to stop and interrupt me doing something. It ain't one thing, it's another. Aggravating. I get real focused when I'm doing this stuff. Especially when I'm here at home. Not so much in Dayton, because there's not really a place to do things, and I'm kind of cramped up. And what I'm trying to do now is get all the shiny spots off of this. Like, this is inside the fuselage, but I wanted a flat white. And the more shiny spots that I can get off of this, the better the paint's gonna lay down. Because dope is plastic. You want a nice flat plastic surface to paint on. Hold my thumb in there. Put any flattener in the paint? No. No, I want it shiny. What caused it to go on smooth is the right mixture, 60-40, maybe a little retarder, depending on how the humidity is, and low pressure, and then it'll lay out really nice. But if you spray on a rough surface, it'll be a rough paint job. Let's see if it lost or gained weight overnight. I think we're still in the 14-ounce range. Most guys, when they're building these wings, are in the 14-ounce range or more. No. Most guys, when they build these wings, are in the 14-ounce range or more. No covering. So you're going to add, well, I would say most of these wings come out 15 plus with no covering on them. And this one, see how much chalk come off of it? and see what it weighs. Been gassing off all night, so yesterday was the last coats on it. $14.5. So didn't lose, didn't gain. So I'm in good shape, actually. So we got 14.5. Let's see where we are with all this other stuff. I know that the hardware is 20 ounces or more. Just the way it is. Shoot. Come on. It's aggravating when things don't work right. Tear. There we go.
Okay.
I'm online. I don't know what you're doing.
Dinner.
I'm online. I'll be down in a bit. So we got, oh man, that's heavy. I'm gonna have to move this wing to get a correct weight on this. Seven o'clock. That's the time that it goes online. Okay, that's 14.5. And here we have, this is the tank motor fuselage. That's 22. $24. 25, 35, and 14.5. That's 39. We'll say 40 ounces. So we got a 50-ounce airplane with a. Yeah, we should make it. I should be able to make it under 60, no problem. So it's 14.5 plus 25.35. I don't have a pen. There we are. 14.5. 14 point. Oh shoot. $25.35. Okay, the total on this is 10, 9, 9, 39.9. We're going to add 3 ounces for wheels. I'd say 3 ounces for wheels. 3, it's 4 for push rods. 4, and the top and bottom is 5, 6, 7. So that's 49 ounces. 49.9. So we'll see we're at 50 ounces with everything, no paint. So, in a reasonable world, let's see. That's kind of dreaming. There's going to be some extra stuff in there. Mystery ounces, 49, 53, 53, 53, that would leave 7 ounces. Yeah. Yeah, this will be a light airplane. If I'm on top of everything. I can't let it get away from me or else that'll be lost. All right, my dinner's here. I'm going to end this video. I'll be back after dinner. Thanks for watching. We'll talk later. See ya.